Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you my first Benefit Club Pink welcome box. I've received different things from Benefit, but this is my official welcome box. I'm so excited. Unfortunately, I got this like almost a week and a half ago and I had already opened it. And I already used some of the products, but these are the ones that I haven't used. I got my go-tos and put them in my bag because I was leaving town. Thank you, Benefit, for putting me on your Benefit Club Pink. I appreciate it so much. Before the video starts, this is just like a little run through of the things that they sent me. I don't have everything they sent me because I've used a few things already. But let me just tell you that soon I'll be having YouTube tutorials on makeup, on how to apply makeup. I'm sorry for the delay. It's just that I've been going through some personal stuff and I haven't had time to be home. But soon I'll be back and I'll be just uploading all the content I can possible. Thank you for watching and waiting for me. Make sure you stay to the end of the video so you could see what surprise I have for you, and hope you enjoy this video. One of the products that they sent me was the Professional. This is my go-to for many years. If you never tried it, you really have to try this one. Face primer, and it minimizes the appearance of pores. Okay, let me show you the next product. The next product is called Highbrow Glow Pencil. This pencil, I use it for under my eyebrows. It gives you like a pearlescent glow. I don't know if a lot of you highlight your brow bone, but this is amazing. I really like this product a lot. The Bravo Conditioning Primer, which is this one. And this is how the head looks like. Let me see if it can focus. Okay, it doesn't want to focus, but this is how it looks. And a gel consistency comes out, and it's supposed to make your eyebrows look fuller. And actually it does work. I've used it many times before. The next product is 24-hour brow setter, which I've also used before. And it looks like this. It's like a gel brush. It's a gel product to set your eyebrows. Let me see if I could focus it. There you go. On one side is flat, and then the other one has the little hairs. Actually, they're like silicone plasticky. It really combs your eyebrows really good. This next one is called High Beam. This is like one of their most sold Benefit highlighters. It's in a liquid form, and I can't wait to try it because I've heard great reviews over the years, but I've never had the chance to purchase it. So I'm so excited to show you guys a look with it. The next product is the Bad Gal Mascara from Benefit. It's supposed to give you lots of volume, and it does. It's really good. I don't want to open it because I might give it away in the giveaway. So this is how it is. I've have a few of these. I really like these. I buy them all the time. The next product they sent was an angled brow brush and spoolie. I actually have this one. They've sent it to me before, so I'll probably also not open it and give it away. This one's really good, especially if you're trying to do your eyebrows. I really like it. The next one is the Brow Zings Pro Palette. I've never used it before, but let me show you what's inside. This one is the medium to deep, and this is how it looks. And it also comes with two brushes. On the left side, it comes with the wax, and on the right side, it's the powder form, and these two brushes. This is perfect for this makeup artists that are trying to do brows on other people. It has different shades, or just for yourself for travel. This product I've used over the years. It's great. I really like it. This is the Precisely My Brow Pencil. It's one of the best brow pencils that I've ever used. And it looks like this. And in the other side, it has a little spoolie. And on this side is the mechanical side of the pencil. So on this side is the little spoolie. Looks like this. On this side, it's the pencil side, and it's perfect because it's so thin that you could do hair-like strokes. It's very good. These are some of the other ones they sent. They also sent the Hula bronzer, which I already used, and Dandelion blush, I think it's called, and I also used it. It's on my luggage, like I said, because I'm also leaving again and I don't want to take all my stuff out. But I'll show you in a different video. But for sure, everybody knows about the Hula bronzer and the Dandelion blush. So this one is a Rocateur. I think this one's called Benefit California. And then this one's called Dandelion Twinkle. Let me show you how it looks inside. First of all, I must say that they all come with their brush. I just took them out. And inside, they look so beautiful. This is how they look inside. Doesn't it look so beautiful? And then there's this one. And then this one. These are all so beautiful. I can't wait to use them for my future looks. This is their soft focus highlighter for face, and it's called What's Up. And it looks like this. And they also sent me their bronzing and contour brush. This is such a nice brush. I really like it. And over here we have one of my favorite mascaras from Benefit also. I'll open this one to show you the thing because I have one already been using it and I don't want that one to expire. And this one is their Rio mascara. I've always used this one. I really like it. This is how it looks. And like I said, I don't want to open them because I just don't want them to expire because I actually use these mascaras a lot. So I just want to keep them for myself. But I have a surprise. So the surprise is that me and my friend are going to be giving away some things from the Benefit welcome package. And I'm so excited to give you some of these products because all of you support me all the time on Instagram and on YouTube now. So me and her are teaming up and we're going to be giving away some products. For the rules, please look at the information on the description box. And I'm going to be giving you all the rules. It's not going to be hard. It's just super easy. So I'm so excited. And you're going to be winning some of these products. Can't wait.